It was 1974, Soviet Russia.
We're going in.
We were a part of 50 highly trained, top-secret U.S. soldiers who specialized in combat behind enemy lines. Our objective was to infiltrate the island of Vikendi, a Soviet-occupied island where the Russians had been testing chemical experiments on the population. Our orders were to find and eliminate the enemy by force. Outnumbered and outgunned.
We're on our tail.
But we had each other's back.
Enemy down.
I still get flashbacks of all the gunfire and explosions.
Package inbound.
In the center of the island, there was an ambush. Snipers were waiting for us. They got Private Davis.
Men down, men down. It's an ambush. Over all angles.
It became a game of survival,
Go, go, go. Now, now, now.
fighting long into the night. We must have killed at least 50 men.
Enemy spotted. Go, go, go. I'm the catwalk. Flanking left wing. They're in position.
Only 3 of us made it out alive. I'll never forget. Vikendi.